Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel, Deborah After 50. I hope you're all having a fabulous day today. In today's video, I want to share with you how much YouTube paid me for my first month being monetized, and now that I'm 6 months being monetized. I know when I first started my channel, I was very curious to know how much money different size channels were making once they became monetized. I know I watched a video by Michelle from Zesty Girl discussing this in one of her earlier videos. So I thought I'd share with you my experience and give you an inside look into my earnings in the hope that this will help someone out there starting a YouTube channel or thinking about starting one. So let's jump right into it. So I started my YouTube channel in the middle of the famous pandemic. I lived in Melbourne and we were in the middle of one of the many never-ending lockdown periods. And I was looking for a creative outlet and a way of connecting with other like-minded women over 50 like me. Women my age or similar to me who liked fashion, makeup, beauty and shopping at any age really. Because in my channel, I wanted to show how even if you're middle-aged like me, you can still play with pretty, sparkly new things, and also to show that life doesn't stop being interesting when you're in your 50s and older. If anything, I hope to show you can have a vibrant life through playing with clothes, fashion, and makeup, and that it's up to us as individuals to shake the norm and showcase life after 50. So I dived into my first video, and let me tell you, I'm embarrassed to say I actually took it down because I did a Costco haul. Michelle from Zesty Girl makes them look so easy, but let me tell you, they are not. Talking to my phone, which at the time was an iPhone 11, and at best having the company of my cat Louie with me while I'm talking to my phone, is not easy. It does take a little bit of practice, and after a while you do become more comfortable to talking to an imaginary friend who's watching you on the other side. Editing at the time was a very laborious process because I was using a very crappy, cheap, free editing software package that was so clunky that a 10-minute video would take me 4 hours to upload and then export onto YouTube. But life did get easier. Before we dive into the numbers, let's quickly go over what it means to be monetized on YouTube. Only just recently, these criteria have changed somewhat. It used to be that you would get monetized after reaching and creating enough content to achieve 4,000 watch time hours in the previous 365 days and 1,000 subscribers. This has only just recently changed where you only need 500 subscribers to become monetized, but you don't actually get a share of the revenue from the AdSense. It's something a little bit different, which I won't go into this video because it wasn't applicable to me at the time I became monetized. So essentially, monetization is the act of being able to partake in some small percentage of the AdSense money generated by YouTube from ads that are displayed on your videos. And let me preface that a little bit. So YouTube will include ads on your videos regardless of whether you're monetized or not. It's just that until you've reached that criteria, until you reach those thresholds, the money goes straight to them and you get nothing for being the content creator, for your time, for your efforts in having created something that people wanted to watch. For my channel, I reached the threshold of 4,000 watch hours a lot sooner than I did of reaching the 1,000 subscribers. And I reached the both end of November 2022, around about 16 months after first starting my YouTube channel and uploading that very long forgotten Costco haul video. And that is neither super fast or super slow. It's about average somewhat. Some people will get to become monetized almost overnight with one super video that just goes viral, while others can take many years to become monetized. In fact, as of the 29th of June 2022, YouTube had 113.9 million YouTube channels, of which only 8.86% were monetized. So getting monetized in itself is quite an achievement. To say that I was thrilled when I finally met the requirements of monetization is an understatement. To me, it represented a huge milestone for me and my channel. And really, I was fully expecting to only get paid maybe a few cents for all the work that I put into it each month. So I was pleasantly surprised at the end of my first month. Meeting the monetization threshold also meant that you had to apply to the partner program on YouTube, which can take anywhere up to a month. You essentially need to create an AdSense account, get that verified by them sending you a letter to your place of residence and giving you a code that you need to upload onto the system in order to verify who you are and that you are a resident of where you're saying you are a resident. And after you've done all that and you are monetized and you are verified, for Australian content creators, there is a threshold before you actually get paid any money by YouTube, and that's $100. So your AdSense account must reach $100 for a period, whether that takes you 3 months or a month. Until you reach that threshold of $100, the money isn't released to you, so you don't get it. Luckily for me, the first month, December 2022, not only did I reach the threshold for the $100 to be released to my account, I actually surpassed it surprisingly. But let me tell you that in December 2022, I actually uploaded 26 videos. I was doing Vlogmas and therefore uploading videos every day. And hence, that's why I got a lot of views, because instead of just uploading one video every Saturday, like was my norm, where at best I'd get maybe 1,000 views, I was getting 200 to 300 views every day, 7 days a week. And so the views added up very quickly for the month of December. And the money for the month is paid to you on the 21st of the following month. So whatever money I earned in December was paid to me on the 21st of January 2023. Let me show you a little bit of the back end of YouTube analytics. Here you can see a screenshot of my YouTube analytics page, specifically the revenue section. In my first month being monetized, I earned a total of, drumroll please, $105.68. Keep in mind that this is before deductions or taxes. And it was during a month that I had uploaded 26 videos. But bear in mind, as of the 1st of December, all my previous videos that were still getting views were now monetized. So they all started earning for me a couple of cents here and there for every 1,000 views that they received. So based on approximately my top 50 videos for the month of December, which averaged about $4 a video. And bear in mind that each video in December was taking me about 3 hours to edit and compose. I earned $1.34 per hour when producing those videos. To break it down further, let's look at the sources of income that contributed to my earnings. The primary source of revenue for most YouTubers is ad revenue. When ads are played on your videos at the start, in the middle, or at the end, and people don't click that skip ads button and actually engage with the ad by watching it all the way through, we get a portion of that revenue. So from ads alone, I made $104.26 for the month of December. This can vary significantly depending on factors like the number of views, the engagement rate, and the types of ads shown. Apart from ad revenue, there's also other ways that YouTubers can earn money. One of them is through your YouTube Premium revenue, which is a share of the subscription fees paid by YouTube Premium members who watch your content. In my case, I earned a whopping $1.42 from YouTube Premium revenue. Additionally, there are opportunities for sponsored content from brand deals. As a small channel, in December, I didn't have any sponsored brand deals, but it is worth to mention that these collaborations can substantially boost your income. Now that we've gone through the earnings, let me explain to you what these earnings actually mean for me personally. Well, $105.68 for the month may not seem like a lot, especially for a full month's work. It's important to keep in mind that building a YouTube channel takes time and consistency. For every one YouTube channel that is an overnight success, there are many that never get monetized or get monetized after many, many years. It's often said that creating a YouTube channel and maintaining a YouTube channel is like running a marathon. And having run a marathon myself in my life, it takes many hours of long runs and many hours of training for that one day where you do run the marathon. And the day is actually exhausting because even though you've trained for it, the actual run takes a lot out of the body. And not that I'm saying that creating a video takes a lot out of me. If anything, I could work on editing a video for a whole day and time just flies. I don't even recognize that I've gone past lunch, afternoon tea, dinner. If there's no one home and it's just myself editing my videos, time flies and I don't even know that time is passing and that I'm missing meal breaks. But at the end of it, I get this sense of excitement, of achievement in having created something that can resonate with you, the viewer. So the earnings for the first month are generally lower. But as your channel grows and you create more content and your backlog of videos continues to be viewed, your earnings have the potential of increasing substantially. However, it's also very important to note that in producing videos, you are incurring some costs. The cost of your phone or a camera, the cost of lighting, the cost of music that you add to your videos, the cost of the editing software, and so many other hidden costs, which also include your time and effort that you're taking away from working somewhere else that could generate you more money. It's also very important that you remain consistent in producing and upload content that resonates with your audience. Take, for example, I reached a milestone in December of actually getting paid from AdSense because I created a lot of videos that got views. But then I took January off. And when I came back in February, I didn't create my usual haul contents, my Kmart videos, my TK Maxx videos, my Target videos, the Come Shopping With Me videos. I created videos about my holiday and also about things that were happening in my life that really didn't garner as much views as my regular content did. And so even though on the 21st of January, I got paid for December, for the month of January and February, I didn't meet the threshold of actually getting paid by AdSense. I only clicked over the threshold by the end of February. So I got paid in April, $134.52, which represented, well, January I took off. So it represented 2.5 months of work. As you can see, in January, I only earned $34.05 from watch page ads from older videos that were being watched by my audience. This meant that because I didn't reach the 100 closing month benchmark, the funds weren't paid to me. And again in February, my content didn't get many views, and thus I only earned $44.66. In total, between watch page ads, YouTube Premium and Shorts feed was generated a whopping 23 cents for the month. And finally, in March, I earned an extra $55.25 from the usual revenue sources, so that the balance in my YouTube account reached a threshold, and so I received a total balance of $134.52 on the 21st of April. I'm sharing with you this for total transparency. At the moment, I'm not even earning enough to support my pets each month, or even just the costs of creating the videos. But it is a start, and I hope that if I can increase the revenue, I can reinvest in my channel by providing you, the viewer, more of the content that you like, extra shopping hauls, better equipment, better audio sound, so that you can enjoy my videos more. At the moment, I know my audience likes hauls, but there's only so much money that I can spend in creating those and going shopping, unfortunately. I make videos because I enjoy the creative aspect of creating a video, of making something that resonates with you, my audience, that entertains you and brings us closer together wherever you are in the world. YouTube enables us to connect with anyone around the world, me included. I love watching YouTubers from as far as America, from Europe, from Denmark, from everywhere in the world. And it gives us an insight in how other people that we don't know live. And that, I think, is priceless. Although I'd be lying if I said that I wouldn't love to reach 1 million subscribers. Regardless of the subscribers, I am so thankful for each and every one of you that tunes in for each video that I create and that interacts with me in the comments below my videos. You are my virtual friends, almost like an old-fashioned pen pal. Remember those? Where we used to write to each other monthly and look forward to receiving their letter and reading their news? I cherish the moments where we connect in the comments below my videos. And I look forward each week to reading how these videos have resonated or connected with you. And sometimes I feel a loss when I notice that a certain subscriber hasn't commented to a few of my videos. And I have to say, worrying that perhaps something is going on in their life, or alternatively that they just don't find my content appealing anymore and they're no longer watching my videos. I would love to create a community through my channel of like-minded women where we can grow as a community of women that supports each other in this time of our lives, where many of us are starting to lose friends and close ones. In conclusion, the first month of being monetized on YouTube was an exciting milestone for me. I earned a total of $105.68. It's a modest start, but I'm grateful for every dollar earned and every subscriber that has hit that subscribe button and is joining me along on this journey. I hope this breakdown of my earning has given you an insight into what you can expect as a YouTube content creator. Remember, building a successful channel takes time, dedication, and perseverance. If you're passionate about creating content, don't let the numbers discourage you. There is always going to be someone whose video looks like yours and yet they get 1 million views for it. Keep going and stay true to yourself. Thank you all so much for watching. If you found this video helpful or you have any questions about starting your YouTube channel, or if you have any questions about YouTube monetization, then please leave your comments and questions down below. And if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming content from Deborah After 50. And in conclusion, thank you very much for watching, my friend. I hope wherever you are, you're having a fabulous day. Bye. See you next time.